and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sophie, and I'm back in your screens, guys, with another banger. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys extremely interesting ways on how to style your micro twist. And if you already like what you see, then of course you know that you're in the right place. Please don't go anywhere. First off, let me introduce you guys to the extensions I used in achieving this hairstyle. We have QVR hair serving extremely good quality Afro kinky bulk human hair. And you guys, when I say quality, I mean quality. This hair is so soft and very easy to manipulate. If something is good, I'll tell you it's good. This hair is good. Fact is, it doesn't even take much to look this good. Hit the link in my bio to get more money off. For style number one, we're starting off strong. Do a side part and then isolate a good amount of hair on the dominating side. Prep the hair at the back, make sure it is organized and ready to style. Take small portions of hair at the side and tie them over the rest of your hair. Repeat this portioning and tying process in a step-by-step fashion as many times as you deem fit, according to the size of your hair. You need bobby pins for the next step. Take the last 3 to 4 lines of twist closest to your neck and put them over the hair that you tied. Make use of your bobby pins to position and secure the hair. If you've done all this correctly, then your hair should look like this. The previously isolated hair can now join the party. Once you're done organizing it, we would have style number one. Style number two is mostly an extension of the first, which involves the hair that was previously isolated. Do a backward twist on the tip of the hair, place it on the corresponding side, and then secure it with a bobby pin. Style number three is pretty easy and probably my favorite hairstyle in this video. All you have to do is make 3 ponytails at the back of your head, meaning that you'll be making 3 horizontal parts and turning each step into ponytails. After that is done, roll up each ponytail into individual buns. Your bobby pins will come in very handy when it comes to securing their position. Without much talk, do you guys see how easy it is to work with this hair? I can't even lie, the QVR hair extensions, they really be giving 100. For style number 4, we're making use of tiny rubber bands. First off, you make a section on one side of your head. I counted 3 lines of twists. Do an inward twist with the hair that you sectioned out, and just a little after the apex of your ear, end it with a rubber band. Repeat the same process for the next section, or should I say next 3 lines of your hair. If I told you guys the number of compliments I got with this particular hairstyle, you would not believe it. There is just something about it that makes one look so elegant. Style number 5 is an extension of the fourth, so repeat each step until all the hair in front is in twists. Style number 6 is pretty easy. Horizontally divide your hair into two parts, with the hair in front being visibly less than the one at the back. With the hair you've portioned at the front, make as many Bantu knots as possible depending on the size that you would want them to be. You achieve Bantu knots by twisting your hair and wrapping them into small coiled buns. If you got all the steps right, then at this point you should be looking like you're $1 billion rich. For style number 7, we're dividing our hair horizontally into two, one portion at the front and one portion at the back, the portion in front being a little less. It's a thing of preference, to be honest, so you can portion them equally. After portioning, make sure to organize it because the neater the finer. After simply organizing, we'll be making use of our shoelace to tie it down. After you're done with these steps, you should have the regular half up, half down style. I did not use a center or side parting. You can switch it off if you'd like. For the next step, we'll be making a bow with our ponytail, so take a good chunk of hair from the middle of that ponytail and braid it. Divide what is left of the ponytail into two equal halves and then bend each half backwards to take the shape of a bow. Take the previously braided twist to the back through the center of the bow. Using your bobby pin, secure this bow by placing it as close to the root of the ponytail as possible. Style number 9 will be a high messy bun. I use this hairstyle almost every day throughout the term of this hair. It is very easy to do, and basically all that is involved is wrapping a bun on your high ponytail. Just make sure not to be too rigid when wrapping so that the tips of the hair could actually make a mess. Remember, it is not a messy bun if there is no mess. Use a band to hold it all down, and if your mess is not enough, try to use your hands to make as much mess as you'd like. Let me tell you something. This hairstyle has my heart. 10 over 10. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you got what you were looking for. And if you're still thinking about making this hair, of course you know your answer now. And don't forget to make purchases from QVR Hair to get the best of what this hairstyle could give. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. Mwah!